yakera barukiwa barenka somotumoko iga omotambe bwerusa niga abaibori baborigwe kwenekya nkobarenda bare nabo kubatanga kurwa obotumeki bw'echisimi abiga mitandao ababwatani b'echisemi bagokwana se county ya Nandi ritukoryarero nigo batebire obotumeki bw'echisimi nabo emitandao yekerero nererache kwenekya gusaria chimbwa chia barukiwa kero barache kwerera chisemi chabo asetamwe gocha.
These electronic gadgets is also becoming the source of information that is actually spoiling our young people. How we must know for sure that this technology is good, but at the same time it has the negative part of it. That our children are able to communicate with the people outside, that the people who supply drugs and alcohol to schools. Education is just but the tip of the sword. And so as parents, it's like we have relocated our responsibility and we have taken the child to school to be taken care of by the teacher. No wonder we're seeing the kind of behavior that we're seeing today in our schools.
The smartphones that are used by our learners and of course that are also given out by the parents acts as the root cause of most of the strikes that we get in high school and even in some boarding schools, in junior schools and even in primary schools. So it is important that we implore to all the parents to make sure that these smartphones, of course, which have been used to even do some heinous and criminal things in our schools, is not actually good. It is an item that we need to really take cognizance to it so that we really bar these learners from participating in criminal issues like the one